Hi, in front of me is SONY Xperia 5 II, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type recorder and download one of these apps, for example that one. Now open it, click Allow and tap on the red button to start the recording. You can end it the same way. Then name it and click OK. Now tap on the left button to see all your recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!